Should you be selling CRO coin before it reaches $1? This is a question that I want to focus on for you guys today. And some people might have been shocked by this thumbnail and shocked that I'm talking about selling before $1 because on this channel, we believe that CRO coin is going to hit $1. And so, Crypto Kip, if you believe CRO coin is going to hit $1, then why would you possibly sell any of your CRO before $1? Well, am I? I want to talk to you guys about that. And if I am, why or how I plan on doing it in this video. You guys are going to want to stick around to the end because I get this one in my live streams a lot. And I think people really want to know what my plan is. If I'm such a CRO coin bull, again, I'm not sponsored by crypto.com. I just hold a lot of Cronos tokens alongside the rest of my crypto portfolio, but I have a really good feeling about crypto.com. So I want to share with you guys my strategy, how I'm looking at this right now, and what my thoughts are on if I should take some profit on CRO before we reach $1. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today I want to share with you guys where my thoughts are on this topic. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Crypto.com is one of the premier apps for crypto in the world. Recently, we had an AMA with Chris Marzliak, the CEO of Crypto.com. And if you watched that AMA, or even if you didn't, what you should know, guys, is Crypto.com, out of all its competitors on the Apple iOS store, got to the top spot when it came to downloads and highest ranked crypto app in the last bull cycle. That happened. That was a reality. Why? Because this app is extremely attractive. It's very easy to use. Some people have their issues with some of the fees, with some of the customer service, but it is very hard to argue that this is one of the easiest and best apps to use when you're a new crypto person coming into this, for both cashing into the market and getting buys in the space, for a holding portfolio, not for day trading on this app. Very important, very important. But also for cashing out. The two places you can cash out if you're specifically a US citizen. I don't know how it is for everybody across the globe, but these are two of the, Coinbase and Crypto.com are two of the easy exchanges and most regulated exchanges, which is maybe why it is the case where these are the two exchanges where it's the easiest to do on and off ramps for getting people in and out of this space. But the Cronos price has been a little bit stagnant lately. Now, we've talked a lot about a dollar CRO in the past on this channel, and do I believe that a dollar CRO is happening? Yes. Am I going to sell my CRO coins, any of my CRO coins, before $1? And the answer is also yes. That might be shocking to some of you guys. But let me be very clear. I'm going to be taking profit probably north of 75 to 80 cents before we get to $1, because there is a chance that sometimes you see what's called the double peak on some projects. Not to say that it stops right there at $1. Again, I believe we could go to $2 to $5. But on the off chance that something happens that's not expected, I'm going to be taking profits on the way up in what I and some of my friends call in tranches, right? Set a price point for yourself. 80 cents, I'm going to take 5% off the table. At $1, I'm going to take another 5% off the table. At $1.15, I'm going to take 10% of what's remaining off the table, right? So come up with a strategy for yourself that makes sense. Now, majority of my profit taking on CRO coin is going to be above $1, but majority of my profit taking will probably not be above $3. When we get to the $2 region, I will be aggressively taking profit. And I want to let you guys know that because I don't want to shock you later down the road. Though I believe CRO could get from $2 up to $2, maybe $5, I'm going to secure some life-changing wealth for myself when we get to those price levels because of how hard I've worked to accumulate. I want to reap the reward. You know, one of the big mistakes that a lot of people make in crypto is that they hold and they hold and they keep on holding. Even though I believe and mathematically can come up to a conclusion where I believe it'd be logical for CRO coin to go up to the $2 to $5 price region for a variety of reasons. You know, we talk about Binance versus Crypto.com, two competing exchanges. The CEO of Binance is now going to prison. Crypto.com CEO is doing fine right now. He had one FUD article during the time where FTX collapsed. These two exchanges launched their own chains. These are EVM compatible chains. Cronos is the largest chain on Cosmos. You know, there's a lot of reasons to be bullish on Cronos in my mind that we talk about consistently, but I'm certainly going to take profit along the way, which is what, you know, I recommend anybody do if they're making any sort of money, right? Not, again, sell it all, and you got to pick your own strategy. I'm not a financial advisor, but I want to let you guys know I will be shuffling aside some profits before $1. We will probably see Cronos have some sort of fierce competition with the variety of chains that are competing against it. Again, these are all, well, layer 1 and layer 2 solutions. People are building applications on top of all these chains. And right now, Cronos is slowly slipping down the rank, which is very interesting. But I do believe that as this bull market approaches and we see newcomers come into the space, they're probably going to go with the brand name that is crypto.com. It's a beautiful domain name that Chris Marsliak and the team bought for just a couple $1 million back in the day. Now that name is likely worth several billion. Eventually could be worth potentially trillions of dollars. Who knows? Depends how big crypto.com gets. But I do believe that billions of dollars could flow into this coin, and I do believe the price action will go up. But I want to make you guys aware, should you sell before $1? Well, if you do, and if you want to, I'm not going to judge you at all. I think it's a great strategy if you have some big gains to take some off the table. Maybe you reinvest it into something else that hasn't gone up yet. Maybe you take it out completely and you mark your crypto bull market as a win on that little and that sell, and then you sell more at 90 cents, you sell more at $1.10, you sell more at $1.50. What if we don't get to $2? Did you want to take profit? What if we don't go to those high prices? Do you want to be able to say that you took some profit? The answer is typically yes. And so I'm not telling you what price is right or not right to take profit. I'm not telling you to take profit before $1, but I know a lot of people are asking me lately, when am I going to be taking profit? For now, I'm not even really worried about profit taking, but I wanted to give you guys an update. My focus right now is accumulation, accumulation, accumulation. Right now, if CROcoin does hit $1, you've got almost a 20x price gain potential from here, about 15x price gain potential from here as we're sitting at about 8 cents. If we go to $1, you got huge moves ahead of you. You can make a lot of money with a dollar cost average strategy on an altcoin like that if you really get that performance. There's going to be a lot of great tokens out there, even in the Cronos ecosystem, that if the Cronos chain gains in popularity, those tokens will come up as well. So I want to keep you guys posted with my strategy. That's my CROcoin update really for you guys today. If you look at the price action on Cronos right now, I wanted to share that with you guys. We are kind of seeing a attempt at trying to find a bottom. Right now, Bitcoin is trying to battle it out, whether it has a mid-cycle top, as some people want to call it, or a temporary top. Who knows, guys? The Spot Bitcoin ETF certainly had a sell-off. I wouldn't be surprised to see a Bitcoin rebound, but CROcoin has come down below 8.7 cents. If we come down to 6.8 cents, again, am I going to panic? Am I going to do anything? Am I going to sell? And these days, no. I'm going to continue to accumulate on the altcoins that I believe in. If Bitcoin gets cheaper, I'd want to buy some Bitcoin. If my favorite projects get cheaper, I want to buy some of those projects because that's what a true dollar cost averaging strategy is. You buy in the accumulation phase, and then as we start getting into that FOMO stage of a Bitcoin and crypto cycle, which if you're not familiar with it, welcome, guys. Get ready. That's what we've seen out of crypto many times in a row. That's why we have this channel. We're expecting to see it again. And I expect Cronos, crypto.com, one of the most regulated exchanges, getting really involved in getting their toe in the water in a variety of ponds in this space. I think they're going to have some great success, guys. So that's what I got for you today. That's all I got in this one, guys. If you want to become a member on the channel, do so in the link in the description down below. You get access to our private Discord. We're doing 5 videos every day for you guys, live streams Monday through Friday. So if you want to support the channel, if you don't become a member, you can simply smash the like button and turn that notification bell on to stay posted with all things crypto. We have a sign-up link for you for Femex in the description down below if you want to trade and take advantage of a sign-up bonus if you haven't used Femex before. Be careful with leverage, guys. It can be extremely risky. That's all I got for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe to this channel for more crypto content, guys. We're going to keep it coming. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. See you next time.